YouTube, I'm Waverly.
And I'm Basic Bird.
And today we're going to do a challenge of my own design, which means if you want to do this challenge, you can mention me, and it'll help me get popular, which will be great. If you have seen the movie Elf, you know that scene where he puts a bunch of stuff on his pasta. I think it's syrup, sprinkles, Pop-Tart, marshmallows, M&M's, and chocolate syrup. I don't know if anyone else has done this, but I'm the only one who's doing it in stages, so yeah, this is the Elf challenge.
The Elf. It should be called that's just so
the Elf
weird.
diet.
No. Yes, okay, what about just the Elf pasta challenge?
The Elf pasta.
Or Elf noodle? I don't know.
We'll come up with
It's
a better
working
name.
title.
Yeah, you'll see the official title in the title of this video. So yeah, we made some pasta, and let's get to it.
Yeah.
Alright. You're gonna destroy my camera.
Yeah, I tried to throw it limply. Watch this, boy.
You want some help?
No.
Is that a good amount? There you go.
Yeah, okay. Here,
Solid.
you can
Okay.
film me syruping it. It's like getting a fox, a sheep, and a
Oh yeah, yeah.
something
You have to
in
get them
some grain
across the bridge.
Yeah.
Pasta is just a medium for sauce, so we're just using a different type of sauce.
Yeah, I'm gonna pretend this is like
Ooh, it doesn't smell that
long
good.
waffle sticks.
I know, I really don't like syrup.
Yeah, neither do I. I mean, I like it sometimes, but I never like that much of it.
Okay, I'm gonna take a bite.
No, let's eat it at the same time, Karen. We should feed each other.
No.
Yeah,
I'm not
okay.
about that gay shit.
Miss me with it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It doesn't taste bad, but it feels so gross.
It's really slimy.
Like, consistency is bad, but just knowing what you're doing makes it so much more disgusting.
Flavor-wise, it's not bad. It's not my cup of tea because
But
I'm not really a fan of syrup, but it could be worse.
It's worse when you get past that top layer of syrup and what's coating the noodle
I think I poured
and
too
then
much.
chew the noodle.
Disgusting. Step 2 is chocolate syrup.
She'll chocolatize hers first.
Oh, we gotta.
Shake it. Oh, what? Puncture it. Here, you can, or open it like a civilized human.
Oof.
Now it looks like some sort of
It looks like a smiley
Asian
face.
noodle with soy sauce. Just think about it
I
that.
don't want to think about it as soy sauce because it's not gonna taste like soy
I know.
sauce. Oh man, you went passionate about that chocolate.
I do like it. You should put a combination at the end of the video of all of us times we get on the bed and it sounds like it's gonna die.
And we're just like, ugh.
Yeah.
And the bed's like, ugh.
If you hold your nose
Okay, now it doesn't smell that bad.
and look at it though, it
it
looks like savory.
Yeah, it does. But it's not savory, so let's
Yeah.
not think of it that way, because that'll be even more confusing.
I don't know, I kind of want to just
fuck with your mind.
exactly.
Oh, the noodles keep falling off. They're too moist.
I'm not even bothering to wrap it. Oh.
I don't like that.
Oh, it's worse. It's so much worse.
Mm-mm.
I wish we were eating this when we were hungry.
Oh yeah, why did we have to do that? The syrup wasn't that bad. I don't know what it is, but the chocolate made it 10 times worse. I don't know how it did that. And it's so slimy. I like pasta. This is gonna ruin pasta for me.
I didn't like pasta to begin with.
Well,
So I got nothing to
sorry.
lose.
In hindsight, I'm sorry. You don't have to eat more, girl.
I'm listening to it.
The next step is sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
We can probably do that over the bed.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm not gonna tilt it anymore. It's gonna come sliding out.
This is called diabetes.
I like the sprinkle. I had one.
Alright. Yeah, I put too many liquids in this. It's too liquidy.
My boy's kind of liquidy too. Wait. I mean,
it's not working.
it's not gonna taste like any different.
Hey, it's got sprinkles.
Alright.
It's got a little bit of crunch now.
Okay.
It's less slimy.
Now it just tastes like it's got weird solidified, like, noodle bits. I wish they had more flavor to them, sprinkles.
I've accepted my fate.
Yeah.
M&M's.
M&M's. Alright. Now this part I feel like might actually improve it.
Okay, I'll make it more of a dessert instead of just sliminess.
Yeah.
We don't need that many, girl. Like, soon we're gonna have more M&M's than noodles.
That's a good point. It looks better.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
I can't see the sprinkles. I really don't think I put enough sprinkles on it.
Yeah.
Or also the sprinkles are kind of like dissolving.
Alright, I got my bite.
Hold up. Make sure you have some M&M's in
Yeah,
that bite.
of course.
Okay.
Okay. The noodles just feel so wrong. Like, this is not supposed to be in my mouth. The flavor's fine now.
The less I think about it, the better it is.
I like to
It's
think
the
about
syrup
it.
that's really bugging me. I really don't like the syrup.
I don't mind the M&M's.
Oh no, I like M&M's. Okay, so the next step, oh man, they're dissolving. The color's coming off, it's weird. Okay, the next step is marshmallows.
I like the texture of marshmallows.
No, I just don't like this. I'm fine with marshmallows. It's this.
Look at this.
Ugh, that's nasty. Try to get as much as everything you can.
It's still the noodles. The noodles suck.
For me, it's with syrup. I just can't turn the syrup. Final step. It's the Pop-Tart. I'm kind of depressed for this challenge. I thought it'd be a lot more fun than it is. I thought maybe it would like taste good. Like I expected it to actually taste okay, but I really don't.
I didn't. But that's just because I don't
it.
like noodles.
I don't know. I was hoping.
Okay, let's split it in half. Classy. Alright.
Here it is. Beautiful. Yummy. Okay, let's go.
Oh, it makes it worse.
I like it.
I like it even less.
I like the Pop-Tart. That was disgusting. Well, thanks for watching. I dare all of you to try it. I triple dog dare, meaning if you don't do it, where our Lord and Savior Krampus is going to hunt you down and eat you if you don't do this challenge. So yeah, do this challenge. Come up with a name for it soon. Thanks for watching. Her channel will be in the description. I don't know what else I should say. I think that's it.
Goodbye!
Love you. Mwah. Boop. Every time I sit down.
I know. Throw it limply.
Alright.
Ooh, I don't like the feeling.
It's just pasta.
It smells. Let's spice it up.
Put less syrup.
Well, you know, you've got a lot. Ugh.
Okay.
I can more. Yeah.
Yeah. Oof. The sugar.
Maybe. I don't know.
I expected it to actually taste okay, but I really did too. But not this much of a
I have the final product. I've procured a bite.